promoted. From there, we look at the manifestations of the gifts in church today. How are they manifested? The gifts of the Holy Spirit, how are they shown in the church today? What happens in the church that shows that this is the what? This is the gift of the Holy Spirit. So, manifestation of gifts in the church today. So you have to talk about the gift and what it is doing in the church. Gifts of wisdom reveals wise. Gifts of wisdom enables members to make wise decisions. Yeah. For example, especially when you're electing members in the church. Gift of prophecy, this one you cannot forget. The gift of prophecy, it enables members of the church to do what? To prophesy about the future. Or you can just say to foretell about the future. Gift of discerning enables one to be able to rebuke any evil, or to rebuke people of evil intentions. Yes, I'll mark the books after the end. I'll collect the books and see. Gift of healing. It enables one to pray for healing, to pray and receive healing. Don't say you cannot heal, only God can heal. So don't tell me in the exam you can heal. No. The gift of healing, it enables people to be prayed for and to also receive what? Healing. Gift of faith, it enables one to believe in God's promises. Gift of faith, or believe in God. You believe in God's promises. Gift of faith, to believe in God's promises. Gift of interpreting, to interpret different tongues.